Hello there, my name is David Redmond, and in this video, we're going to talk about independent travel as a visually impaired person. For me, most of my family is visually impaired, as I discussed in one of the previous videos. So, for that reason, we're pretty much limited to public transport, so your buses and trains and so on. For me, I've never found that to be much of an issue because I'm lucky in the sense that we live near a bus stop. So I can go to that bus stop and I'll use the cane to get to the bus stop. And then I will always, when the bus comes, ask the driver what number bus it is. And that just confirms that this is the bus that I need to get on. Once I've all that sorted, then I will use apps usually to work out when to get off. My personal favorite at the moment would probably be Apple's Find My app, because what that will do is that will give me an updated location as I move along the route. So let's say I want to get off at Merchant's Quay here in Cork. I will then look for City Hall, which will be the stop before that. And when I find City Hall, when I'm at City Hall, I know then to, get my stuff ready. I can press the bell if required and then get off at the next stop. So there are lots of ways to do it. You can learn the route too, which is something that requires a bit more concentration, but it's definitely doable. And this is an area as well that the NCBI can help you with. If you are going to have a new route, maybe you've got a new job or you're going to a new school or whatever the case may be, maybe you're transitioning to college. Talk to the NCBI about that because they will help you if you need to learn the route or whatever the case may be. There are many solutions to have independent travel. You don't have to stay in your house the whole time, just because you don't have a car. There are lots of things you can do, especially if you're on a bus route. There are loads of options. There are loads of options for independent travel as a visually impaired person.